Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at MoxieAI.com, a platform promising an AI-powered trading robot for the Forex and crypto markets. It sounds incredibly futuristic, a robot that trades for you with absolutely no skills required. Just click a button and watch the money roll in. Because, clearly, the global financial markets were just waiting for you to show up and press start to give away all their secrets. But before you quit your day job and buy that yacht, let's walk through what's actually happening behind the curtain. First up, let's talk about the reviews. While the official website is suspiciously silent, Trustpilot tells a much darker story with a dismal 2-star rating. Users report that while your deposits disappear into their system with lightning speed, withdrawals remain pending for weeks. It's the classic magic trick. Now you see your money, and now you don't. Some users manage to pull out tiny amounts early on, just enough to build a little bait-flavored trust, before the platform pulled the rug on their larger investments. If you enjoy talking to a brick wall, you'll love their customer support, which apparently specializes in never replying to emails or chats. Next, let's look at the team running this operation. We searched for founders, photos, or even a basic About Us page, but found absolutely nothing. It's a total ghost ship. Most legitimate companies like to show who's in charge, but MoxieAI prefers the mysterious stranger approach, which is exactly what you want when handing over your life savings. To make things even weirder, they have zero social media presence. No Facebook, no Twitter, not even a LinkedIn profile. In today's world, a tech company without a social media account is like a restaurant without a kitchen. Something is definitely being served, but you probably don't want to eat it. We also stumbled upon a detailed Medium article where a user described the classic investment scam playbook: fake profits, blocked withdrawals, and the sudden demand for extra fees just to access your own money. They eventually had to involve the Department of Financial Protection just to recover their funds. The final verdict? MoxieAI is glowing with more red flags than a high-stakes minefield. Between the anonymous leadership and the black hole withdrawal system, it's a high-risk gamble you're almost guaranteed to lose. Always do your research, stay cautious, and never invest money you might actually need for things like food or rent. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns. Stay safe, stay smart, and we'll see you in the next one.